What exactly is a warrior? You know that a warrior is not actually a specific person, it's an archetype. And archetypes were used in mythology as models to help us better ourselves. Basically, there are 4 archetypes. So there is the warrior, there is the wizard or the magician, there is the king, and there is the lover. Those are the 4 archetypes. And the warriors, this archetype was the archetype of inner power. And what is power? The definition of power is what? The ability to do or act. Therefore, the warrior's way is the way of action in the real world. That's the warrior's way. The secret here is for you to learn to access your warrior energy at will. Now, if you can practice and maintain the warrior energy here, that will develop into a cellular response. And the best thing about the energy is if you've really got it, chances are good you won't have to use it very much. It's like a martial artist who's like a 7th Dan black belt. Those are the ones who never fight. They don't have to, because everybody knows you don't mess with them.